this is our package, and it has Toby milk. Well,
Bath bombs
Bath
and shower gel. And we're excited to try this brand. Ready, go. Go ahead, open it. We do not like the packaging of those little popcorn donut
It smells good.
things. Oh, but they're supposed to be like biodegradable, so you can just put them in water and they will melt.
Oh, can I open this part?
Spring Bloom.
She gotta open the main
Put it down so we can see it in the box. There we go. That's where I can see it. Okay, open up the little tag.
I want to open this one.
Oh my god, they're so
Ooh, both of them are wrapped up.
I think all of them.
That says Spring and Bloom.
How do I do this part? Do I just...
And then the other one, oh, flip the tag over so I can see the top. That says, oh, Bath Art. Okay. Bath Art and Spring and Bloom.
I feel the...
Oh, this is like legit wrapping paper. I seen that on the site. There's also an app.
Here we go.
How should I do it for me?
This is how we unwrap it. Almost okay.
Open the string.
You gotta open it like this,
Put it more in the frame right here. In the cart, the truck. Whatever. The cart.
A truck.
The box. I know, I say weird things sometimes. In the box.
I don't know.
We're gonna do the in the.
What?
You're gonna put a sound effect in there. Say in whenever I said that wrong. You can go.
Here we go.
Ooh, how pretty.
I feel like the particles on the outside of like this stuff.
It smells delicious already.
Kind of like this.
The moment we cut it open,
Oh
it smelled delicious. Oh my
Oh my
gosh,
god,
they're so
I just
cute.
don't like, personally, I just do not like on how it does not have wrapped around.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and I can feel like powderiness.
Yeah, I know. I don't like how these are not wrapped around like plastic wrap
Yeah.
because I touch these other products.
That's the Sakura shower gel. Mm. Can I see that one? I'm gonna like sniff this. I don't like that it's like powdery either.
This sketch is literally packaged by.
see, even
how
it's like-
cute! They show who it's packaged by. The team, like,
That's cool.
look, it's packaged by. Get it, team. See, and they have the drawing.
Yeah.
thing. See, but like I don't like this and how it's not packaged in a plastic.
Yeah,
wrap.
especially for the humidity here in Florida. I wonder
Oh.
how that's gonna do.
Sounds good though.
We do have a dehumidifier, like legit. Oh yes, that's a bar of soap. That's
feel
pretty.
this.
It's supposed to
Look,
be
see?
handmade too. I see on the.
I'm gonna put these up here like this and then I'll.
Oh my god, the other one.
Okay, set this one down to the side.
God,
Yeah,
I hate
definitely.
these so much.
So we need like a bag to put all these pieces in. So these are the creative one.
Oh,
One
no,
is like
I
a
think the
that's like a
bath bombs-
galaxy.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
the bath bombs came out.
Yeah, they did.
Uh-oh.
So this is interesting. Remember,
Oh wait.
that's what came off of hers, and then now there's a.
Found one.
Oh my.
Okay, that's not good actually.
Okay, so we have a box to put them in here. Let's put them. Look, we are interrupted
Bath
by this deliciousness. It is brought to you. No, it's not. Just plain. This is our other package that came in today. We're gonna try this. And put the other one right here.
Are we ready?
We put the little. Put. Oh my gosh! Put that. Put that cardboard
This is one of
thing.
my favorite smelling ones so far. And the rose one. But
Put the cardboard thing in this box.
2 cows.
Yes. Wait.
the
Bebe,
cardboard?
hold it. Put the cardboard in here. We're gonna put the cardboard in here so we can have it nice. So this was our other just arrived protein package. So we're gonna rebox it because wow. I'm not complaining that it was bad packaging. It's just
I just gotta say
wow.
it.
We didn't know it was gonna be like this
found another.
at all. Okay. Yeah, let her find one. What is that? Oh, that's the bubble bar. The cloud bubble bar.
Oh.
The rose jam.
something else.
Let her grab one out. Rose jam. This is what got me to buy this.
Put your hand right
That
here.
one's going into the bathroom where I'm
Put
at.
your hand right here.
Oh, look at that. It's like something called heart.
That smells delicious.
Put it in here, baby.
Yeah, sorry.
I know.
Oh my
I'm
god.
not used to it.
Ah! Another.
Okay.
I just don't like how many packaging peanuts in it.
So that was the whispering heart, and
Was
then
that it?
that was whispering heart, Toby's cow.
Oh, wait.
That was the passion.
What is? Sorry,
bath
no
bomb.
offense, but this is not like.
That's like a rose thing. Hold on, don't let.
Oh, there you go. I flipped it the wrong way. It's supposed
This
to be
is the rose jam bubble bar.
Oh, it's
so
like
that's
on the side
soap?
it slightly got wet.
This is soap.
Oh,
No, it's
maybe-
soap. That's
oh.
why. Let me see.
Look, it's the slice.
Soap.
But the soap was like melting into my hands, kind of.
Wow.
So.
That's a rose jam bubble
I love the way it smells. Here.
bubble-aroon. Ooh, that smells good.
We need the soapfish now.
And then that, we got the spring, we got the bath art. I'm gonna let this box go. Hold it. Thank you.
What?
I think that's it.
Oh, that's rose jam set. That's a rose jam set.
I think that's all the bath
Let's
bombs.
count. We have 10 things, and that's 2 cows included.
2 towels.
So that's 2, 3, 4,
5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay?
Good?
Yes. So let's lay it right here.
The bath bombs you can see it's in the
Uh-oh. This is the, what I call it? Rose jam set.
A body spray? Wait.
Yeah. It's another little mini shower gel. And this spray, body spray, sweet fruity rose and vanilla scented mist. That'll leave you with a trail of admirers.
I like this. I like this one.
As a,
You can just let these go, you know. That's what some people do.
okay, so let's lay them right here. We'll set them right here. Put the big box on top of this. And so we can see there was 10 items, as I said.
I love
So
this. I think you'll look at
1,
this one.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. For 3 sets, yes.
I'll be like, can I see
Thank
the
you
other
so
one?
much
Can I
for
see that one?
joining and then watching this and unboxing with us. You can hear the excitement. We have a bathtub that we can go and
The other one.
enjoy because
The other
we
one?
didn't have a bathtub, but we renovated our bathroom and we have a bathtub now.
And that's
So-
all done by what?
Haberstick Creations did our bathtub.
I love this. I love that one and this one.
Uh-huh.
And I also like.
Okay, so this is a bubble bar right here.
The smell of the
I
soap is my
also like-
favorite.
This is a soap, a bubble-aroon.
And I also like
These
this
are
one, this
Art
one.
ones. Maybe we'll do the art ones
I
are
like-
supposed to be for you to be like you can show it off.
I like these
A lot of
ones.
influencers do
I like-
that one.
okay,
Right? That's
okay.
literally what the
I want to
website
tell you
says.
my favorite. My favorites are these two.
The
this,
art.
This one.
That's the heart something.
This one smells like
Whispering
the
heart.
The mango
Passion.
colostrum.
and then this one.
It smells like that.
And then this one. And then this
Look, on
one.
the back it says Lush.
And then.
Are you
and
saying
then
every
this
single one or what?
And then this one and this one. I
All
think
of them. All of them. All of them. All of them. This is the only one I want in my bathroom for sure. For sure.
When can we do
And
it?
probably the
Tonight?
spray.
I hate to say this, I don't like the scent of this one already. Like just smelling it from the outside.
That's the Sakura one.
Can we have a back?
Oh yeah, it's really strong and it's like powder. It's a good flowery, powdery.
Can I come for
The Sakura one.
Yeah,
It's very, very fragrant.
I'm gonna
So we're gonna have to figure out how to use all these, like as in we're not gonna use them all in one bath
no, half of them. So I like
because
this
it's
one.
it's like I want to try this and I want to try that and I want to try that. So
I'm gonna
we'll
smell- I'm
keep
gonna
you
give-
updated.
I'm gonna give you a opinion of the smell of them. This one's very strong. So strong. Wow.
I think all of them are, but
I like this one. I like this
Whispering Heart.
one. I love Whispering Heart. I like this one too, the cloud one.
That smells nice.
Yeah,
The spring
I
heart.
like this cloud one too.
This smells good. This reminds me of flower bomb. Oh my gosh, Lipton raw flower
This one, I like this one
with a hint
too.
of soap.
I like
Wow,
this
that
one.
one's interesting.
then-
That's cloud.
This one's okay.
Let me see that passion one. She said it smelled like the mango colostrum gummies we have.
Doesn't smell
Yeah, it
bad.
does.
Doesn't smell bad.
This is the galaxy something.
I do not like this one. This
It
one's
smells
I
good.
think we all don't like that one. At least me and I had to go. Is that the same one I don't like?
No.
That's a different one? Okay.
Be careful because look, they can like, I don't know, crack.
crumble.
Crumble, yes, you can.
This is citrusy, this one. That was in the art box.
This smells like agua. It smells like agua.
Okay. Like my mom, Abue.
This one smells like a clean smell.
This one, she's saying, the Sakura.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's just really strong for me.
Do you want to
Okay,
smell it?
thank you all
my
for
God.
joining us again. We love you. God loves you more. The dogs are getting excited as well.
She's smelling them.
Cool. Talk to you later.
You don't like
Don't forget to subscribe. We'd appreciate it.